Forest Department Sarawak is the government agency committed to lead reforestation by pledging to plant 35 million trees in line with the Greening Malaysia programs, which targets to plant 100 million trees throughout the countries by the year 2025. The goal of Forest Landscape Restoration Project in Sarawak is to contribute to the enrichment of the existing 62% of Sarawak forest cover. This is in line with the government post-COVID-19 development strategy PCDS 2030 and also United Nations Sustainable Development Goals Pillars 13 and 15. Seed ball blaster is to improve technical efficiencies of seed ball dispersion in these degraded forest areas and enrichment planting sites using mechatronics mechanisms. This is suitable to be applied in undulating and heightened forest areas and increase the productivity and efficiencies in our forest restoration initiative in Sarawak.
seed ball 分配的更有效率。
I think it's really a good product that can save a lot of manpower. At the same time, it is good for reforestation and enrichment plantings.
Jauh laju nanam kayu tu jadi cukup mana?
Iya mat, yang tu dapat dah. Kita yang nak izin tu, ya cepat amat. Berak tadi, lagi yang boleh berapa? Nanti kerja tanya 20 sikit aja, dia boleh nak buat ke 500 IG.